Want to work in Europe but don't know how to get a visa? This step-by-step guide will show you the complete process for 2026. Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you step-by-step through the latest requirements to secure your Europe Work Visa this year. A Europe Work Visa is your legal gateway to living and working in a European Union country for a specific professional role. The most popular destinations for 2026 include Germany, the Netherlands, Sweden, and Ireland, each with unique pathways. Germany now offers the Opportunity Card, a points-based system that allows you to search for jobs while already in the country. In the Netherlands, high-skilled migrants need a recognized sponsor and must meet the updated 2026 monthly salary thresholds. Sweden has raised its median wage requirement, while Ireland prioritizes critical skills permits for specialized tech and healthcare roles. Across most countries, the most critical requirement remains a valid job offer from a certified European employer. Step 1. Start by targeting roles on international portals. Focus on companies with a history of visa sponsorship. Step 2. Tailor your CV and cover letter to European standards, highlighting technical skills and language proficiency. Step 3. Secure your job offer through successful interviews. Many companies now conduct the entire process virtually. Step 4. Once you have your contract, apply for the work visa through the official embassy portal or the national migration website. You will need your valid passport, the signed contract, authenticated educational degrees, and proof of comprehensive health insurance. After submitting, you'll likely attend a biometric appointment and an interview at the consulate to verify your intentions. Common mistakes that lead to rejection include submitting unverified documents or applying for roles below the salary floor. Crucially, never submit false information. This doesn't just lead to rejection, it can result in a permanent ban from the Schengen area. Pro tip: learn the local language to A2 level even before moving. It significantly increases your employer's confidence in your integration. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe for more 2026 visa updates. Your European journey starts with the right information. Good luck!